Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer Okta verifier from one phone to another. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Transferring Okta verifier from one phone to another isn't a direct transfer because the app is tied to your Okta account via MFA setup. Instead, you can re-enroll Okta verifier on your new phone. To do it, simply head over and open up your App Store and then on the search bar type in Okta verify. Then once you are inside there, what you need to do is tap on the app and simply download the app. And once downloaded, simply tap on open and then log in with your Okta account. Then once done, navigate to the MFA section and choose to add Okta verify. Then scan the new QR code shown on your phone computer to verify on your app and enter the generated 6-digit code from Okta verify on your computer, and your new phone is now set up with Okta verify. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.